Hello everybody, my name is Hui and today I will introduce you to my final application, our final application which is Uber. And this is the first screen of my application's login screen. You can see this is the name of our applications. So we have email test field, password test field, sign up button and sign in button. Um, if you try to type the email and without signing up, you will fail to access our application because we have used Firebase to validate user account. For example, if I can type a random email and I try to sign in, and I will get the error, and it say that the email and password is invalid. So then, in order to access my application, I need to click to the sign up button. And in the sign up button, I have email and password. And I need to create a new email, which is, for example, wifi220@gmail.com. And I can have a random email with random password. And I click the create account button. So I still can't create user accounts, which is because uh, I have had already this account in our Firebase database, so I need to have another new account. So maybe I can try this one, and I try to create account, and as you can see, I can access to my applications, and this is the main screen of Uber applications. The red pin shows the current user application, which is my locations, and this is driver locations. And I have put some fake data into my applications because because I need to do that in order to make my application working. Um, and on the top of the screen, I have a search text field, and if I type in the destinations locations, for example, Deacon, and the app will try to search for the location at Deacon University. And um, on the bottom of the application you can see the image with the car and the name Uber X and the price, which is $50. And I have a button called the Uber, because this is a demo app, so when I click this button it won't show anything, but just the alert button with the arrows. Cannot call this a demo app. So I click the OK button here, and you can zoom in and zoom out with our applications. And you can see that these are the driver locations, this is the my location, and this is the destination that I want to come. And if I click this sign up button, I will go back to the sign up screen. And if I go back to the login screen, yeah, click the login screen, login button, I will go back to the login screen. And if I try to use my account, I can go back to my applications. So this our final applications, and in order to improve the app, I think that we can create another screen for the driver using co-location to retrieve retrieve actual user location. And we can also think about building a messaging screen between user and drivers, and we can build some animation to improve user interface and user experience for our application. And this is all about our web application. We hope you enjoy our video. See you next week.